Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to go ahead and take you guys through the whole process of me making my website. So I'm just going to take you guys on the journey, just like I've been doing these past few videos, sort of just documenting what I do rather than going ahead and sort of teaching. I'd rather be taking you on what I'm currently doing, whereas a lot of other dropshippers aren't really doing much. All they are doing is teaching. So I don't want to be just like a teacher. I want to be actually showing you guys the things I do every day, and making my website is just one of these things. So at the moment what I'm doing is I am collating all the news articles I have and basically putting on my website, sort of building rapport, making a landing page where it gives me credibility basically. So what I did was I duplicated this one twice to put in two more news articles, one from Sell the Trend. sellthetrend.com. sellthetrend.com. That's that. And then I want to get a quote from here. Get this quote. This is a cool quote. It's a bit long, so I want to shorten it. Keep it as simple as this. Change out the image. Change out this image. Just images of me traveling and stuff. And I want to use this quote, Printify. This is a cool article. Put in a link here. Printify. Yep. Let's get a quote from here. I like this quote. Shorten it as well, because when people nowadays, when they sort of go to your website, they just don't have time to sort of read. So you want to keep it as short and simple as possible. So this is what it will look like on mobile, and a lot of people will be going to my website on mobile because that's sort of where most people are at nowadays. So this is pretty cool. Images, quotes, all the different articles, Lean Commerce, news.com.au, Sell the Trend, Printify, New Zealand Herald. Now what I want to do is I actually want to go ahead and put in all my success stories. Put in full width and go to Vimeo. Go to my showcases, which is like an album, and then get the embed code for this. Get the embed code. Right. Yeah, e-commerce legacy testimonials. Save. Also got the embed code, so I'm going to put in a one column, put in HTML, Java custom HTML script, code, paste it in, close these, I don't need them now. Let's go to the embed setting. I want it responsive, adapt to the container. Awesome, I'm going to copy it one more time. Paste, save, put in like a heading, duplicate this because I want to keep the font consistent. Maybe something as simple as that for now. Now let's preview it. It is awesome. It pops up like this. E-commerce legacy testimonial. I'm going to remove the S. Save. Save. I'm going to go ahead and check it on my phone. So this is the website that's going to be on my Instagram bio. Awesome, it does work. There's too much of a gap here, so I want to reduce that gap. And I'm gonna write success stories. That's better. But I'm gonna save. I'm gonna check again on my phone, see how it looks. Looks pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but scroll down. Pretty cool. Looks nice. And then now I want to put in buttons. Button. Themes. I want like a black button. First thing I want to recall ideas. Challenge. Tripling. Well, follow my journey. Let's do that. Save. Let's take a look at how that looks. Looks good. I love it. Now what I want to do is reduce the bottom footer. Save. I think my website's good to go. This looks pretty clean. What other things can I do? Yeah, I think that's the best when it comes to social proof. I can have all the videos layered like one on top of another. That's something I could do. But I don't know if it'll be like too crowded, just having video on video on video, rather than just having one sort of playlist. If I had one on top of another, it works. Checking my phone once again. It's clean. I love it. Alright, that's it.
Yeah, yeah.